Hi, thanks for coming to the arcticspas.co.uk website. What we're going to do today is just show you a little bit about the Arctic Spas product so you can get a feel for it, and then invite you to take a look around the website at the different models that we've got available for you. We didn't feel the need to make a video on each and every model in the Arctic Spas range because they all have the same great set of features in differing sizes and differing shell types. We've got spas from the compact Fox, ideal for the couple or small family, right through to the fantastic Arctic Ocean Swim Spa, which gives you full family fun and fitness. So once you watch the video, have a look around, take a look at the different models, and then contact us for more information about where our range of showrooms are located. Okay, so let's take a look around the Arctic Spa then. The first thing that you notice is this beautiful Western Canadian cedar cabinet. This is our standard fit for the Arctic Spas range of hot tubs, and it's a great way of making a hot tub cabinet. Regardless of what you may have heard or what your preconceptions may be around wood cabinets, cedar is a fantastic resilient material to build with. It's very high in levels of tannin, and therefore it doesn't get attacked by insects, and it certainly won't ever rot or deteriorate. If you want to keep it looking like this, with these beautiful rich colours, then once a year you'll just need to do a very small amount of maintenance with cedar oil to bring the colour back. However, if you prefer a completely maintenance-free option, we can also offer our Flex cabinet. So let's take a look at the shell of the Arctic Spa. Shell is the most expensive part of any hot tub, and therefore it's the most important part to ensure you have a substantial warranty. At Arctic Spas we put a lifetime structural warranty on our shell because we believe that it will never leak due to structural failure. So how have we got the faith to put such a long warranty on our spa shell? Well, unlike most of the hot tub industry, we aren't simply stretching plastic in order to make a hot tub shell. We start with acrylic, the same as most of the rest of the industry, and in fact you'll note that some of the colours with Arctic Spas are common with other brands because the external material is used by most of the hot tub manufacturing community. But what we do differently is we take that acrylic shell and then we hand roll up to ½ inch of solid fiberglass to the back of the shell, making it completely self-supporting and earning its right to that lifetime warranty. If you've been looking around on the internet and in stores at hot tubs, you'll have probably seen a vast array of pricing for different models and styles of spa. The pricing has got less to do with features than you might imagine, and actually more to do with the construction quality of the spa. And the purchase price, of course, is just the beginning. What you need to also consider is the ongoing cost of ownership of the spa. So that includes things like chemical usage, but mostly about water usage and, of course, electricity usage. So what do we do to try and give you the most efficient spa possible? We build our product in Alberta, Canada, and it's a pretty harsh environment out there. We sell a lot of spas into Canada still. So the spas are having a bit of a holiday working in the UK. They're almost over-engineered, but better that than under-engineered, of course. Building on the success of our renowned heat lock system, new for 2011 is the new free heat installation. Basically what that does is it creates a constantly temperature-controlled environment underneath the spa that not only uses the heat generated by the heater, but also the incidental heat created by things like pumps and other electronic equipment to keep the spa water hot and at optimum temperature all of the time. There's lots of features that make this work, includes our perimeter heat lock system and our new Ross exhaust system. If you click on the free heat section of the website, you'll be able to read in detail exactly how this system makes the Arctic Spa the most efficient hot tub you can buy. So while we're talking about insulation, let's take a very quick look at the Arctic Spa's cover. Hot tub covers, of course, are very, very important because, as high school physics will remind us, if the temperature, or the heat rather, within the spa is going to try and escape anywhere, of course it's going to try and rise. It's surprising actually the low quality of some of the spa covers available in the hot tub industry at the moment. Our spa cover has two separate sealed sections which are sealed against moisture with our Mylovac process. This means that the covers don't take on water from the spa, and therefore A, they maintain their heat retaining properties, but also they don't get heavy and fail over time. The spa cover has a windsock all the way around and an insulated baffle between the two sections to ensure that no temperature is lost where the seam of the spa cover is. It's also incredibly strong because because it's designed originally for the Canadian market to withstand snowfall. Of course, the added benefit is that when the dog or the kids or you decide to have a sunbathe on top of the spa cover, you're not going to end up inside the spa. So let's take a look at the underside of the spa. This is our Forever floor, which is a pressed fiberglass floor. It's a similar construction to that used on Hummer vehicles to protect them from explosives. So it's incredibly strong, and it actually forms a structural part to the spa. And that's an important point. Don't be confused into thinking that all hot tub floors are the same. There's a significant difference between this and, for example, an ABS floor. ABS floors do a great job of sealing the spa from moisture and stopping pests and rodents getting in, but they're not structural parts of the construction. So our warranty for the Forever floor is any level surface. That means you can put your spa on a deck, you can put it on a patio, or you can simply throw it straight onto your lawn if that's what you want to do. There's nothing else in the industry like the Arctic Spa's Forever floor. Okay, so we've spoken a little bit about hot tub construction, but probably you're more excited about the actual spa experience. Take a look around the website and you'll see that we've got a vast range of different mould shapes and sizes. We have loungers, we have armchairs, we have our fantastic moulded bucket seats, we have free range bench seating, and mixtures of all of those. And I'm sure you'll find a design which is not only the correct capacity for you, but also with the design features that you're looking for. As an Arctic Spa's customer, you also have the benefit of being able to select exactly the level of equipment that you want, the amount of pumps, the amount of jets. We don't assume that the small spa in our range is going to necessarily be for a customer that wants a very low level of equipment. And equally, we don't assume that just because you need a large spa, because you have a big family, that you necessarily need lots of pumps and jets. It's entirely up to you. You can specify the level of equipment that you want, right up to our new Epic Series spa, which is new for 2011, which features 5 water pumps and fantastic performance. Other options include cutting-edge filtration and purification to ensure that your water is always pristine, entertainment systems, and also our fantastic lighting packages, including the Ultimate Lights package, which features backlit jets, lit drinks holders, and also additional external sconce lighting to light the pathway to your spa as you approach it at night. Some other features that we have to talk about are the entertainment systems available with the Arctic Spa's range of hot tubs. Starting off with our music systems. Our entry-level wet tune system is fitted with these rise and fall quality hi-fi grade speakers, which obviously are water resistant. And you connect to this system wirelessly with your Bluetooth device. So that might be your smartphone or your Bluetooth equipped MP3 player. We also have our Aquatremor and Aquatremor Deluxe systems, which employ transducers which actually use the spa shell as part of the speaker. It's quite an impressive system. Also available is our portable wireless waterproof TV. This allows you to send a picture to your spa from your satellite, your cable, or your DVD player. So we've got some combinations of some really, really cool entertainment systems. You've probably seen lights and jets and speakers and stereos and TVs on other spas. Something that I guarantee that you won't have seen is the Arctic Spa's revolutionary on-spa system. This allows connection of your smartphone, so that might be an iPhone or an Android or a BlackBerry platform phone, connecting that phone to your spa, allowing you to have control over the spa, and also allowing you to stream your music wirelessly to your stereo system. There's another video on this website specifically about OnSpa, so go take a look at it because it's quite an exciting step forward in the world of hot tubbing.